Hey everyone, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today I'm going to share to you how I do this very easy and simple hairstyle right now. And actually this is my go-to hairstyle. I always wear this. Yeah, I always do my hair like this lately. I don't know why. Maybe because it's just very quick and easy and I could get out of the door like a snap. Yeah, and also it gave my hair a lot of volume actually. Because I have a really thin hair, and yeah, this made my hair like I have a lot of hair. Yeah, that's why I like it. I believe I posted a picture on Facebook or on Instagram, I forgot which one, and my friend Christine saw that picture and then she asked me if I can do a video on how I did my hair on that picture. So that's why I'm here right now to do that video for her and of course for you guys because I love you all so much. And yeah, thank you so much partner for requesting this video. Yeah, she is my partner. We used to go to the same work before. Thank you so much partner for requesting, and I miss you. I haven't seen you in a while. So if you want to know how I did this very simple hairstyle, you better keep on watching. So after I blow dry my hair, I then take this curling hair styling mist, and I got this one from Daiso, and it works pretty well in holding my curls since I have a very thick straight hair and it's hard for me to have my curls intact. And I use this VO5 Super Keep hairspray as well after I curl my hair. So first I'm going just to spritz teeny amount, mostly concentrating at the ends. And then after that, I'll just comb thoroughly with this paddle brush. I just make sure that I get all the tangles. Yeah, I have very long hair but it's very thin right now. I know I've been having a lot of hair falls lately. I don't know, and I have been breaking out lately. I don't know what's wrong. So yeah, that's just it. And then I will be going to separate or divide my hair into two. I will just be taking the top layers that I have, the short ones. Yeah, just the ones that have short layers, and then I clip it away. So, and then I'm going back to brush my hair just to make sure that it's tangle free. And then I will be using this curling barrel. It's a very typical curling barrel. This one is from Vidal Sassoon, and I think this is a 1-inch barrel. Yeah, curls, because I want my curls to be not too tight, but I just wanted a very natural wave in my hair. So I'm taking not very big but not too small section, just like this. And I tell you guys, I don't have any patience in curling my hair at all. I don't like it when it takes so much time, so I'm taking this section and then I just, you know, put it onto the barrel. I know most of you know how to curl your hairs, right? So this is just what I do, and I just wait like maybe 10 to 20 seconds after I release. Yeah, I don't want to stay long and spend a lot of time really curling my hair. I don't have any patience at all. Sometimes I use the straight iron to curl my hair because that is very quick. So I think this is done, and yeah, this is what we have. And then I'll do another section again. I'm doing a this amount of section because it's not too thick, it's not too thin, and it's quick. It's very quick for the hair to get curled. I don't do big sections because that takes a lot of time to curl, and my iron has, I think it only has 160 degrees heat on this one, so I don't heat up my iron, my curling iron up to 200. I don't know, it's just not good. My hair is very thin actually, and I don't want any split ends. I've been there before and it's not good, so yeah. So this is how we do it. So I will just be fast forwarding this part here and we'll go to the next part of the hair. So now we're done with the lower part of our head, and then we will move on to the upper section. So I'm just going to take my clip and clip the ones that we already curled. So I will just be curling the same way as I curled the lower section. So comb your hair first so that we don't have any tangles, and then yeah, just curl it. So I always start at the back. Finally, we're down to the last piece of the hair. Yeah, can't wait. So let's count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're done curling. So now, after I'm done curling all my hairs, I will just be find some hairspray and then spray and just do some scrunching. Just like very easy, right? I think everybody knows how to spray their hair and curl their hair. It's just easy. So this is just what I do. I spray, and so after that I'm going to spray my bangs. And then I'm going to use this brush to tease it. I'm going to tease it. Tease it like crazy, baby. So that we will have some volume and lift over here. So I'm just going to tease it like there's no tomorrow. So yeah, a lot of teasing. Tease. Okay, I think we're done now. And then after that, I am going to spray again the back side, just the back portion, and then tease it again. Tease more. And after that, this is what we have. So voluminous, right? So then I will take just only this part. this is just very easy, guys. I always do my hair like this because it's just so easy. And then you just like that, and then you'll get some bobby pins and just pin it away like so. I'm using 2 bobby pins for this one, just to secure and do an X formation to really secure the hair. And then if you wanted to add a little height, just go get a rat tail comb and just do a little lifting if you want to add a little height, if you're not satisfied with the height that you have. And then of course spray it to keep it in place so that it will not move. So, and then fix some unevenness here and there. So this is just how I do my go-to hairstyle, guys. I know it's very easy. I just curl my hair and do a little teasing and some spraying, but not too much because we don't want crunchy hair. Just enough to hold the curls the entire day. So this is just, yeah, this is how it looks like. It's so big and voluminous. It's so different from the start where I don't have much hair. I have very thin hair actually. So that's why I like curling my hair a little bit to add a little volume on it. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you, and if you happen to recreate or do the same hairstyle that I did, please don't forget to tag me on all my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere. I just want to see how you did on this hairstyle. I know it's very easy, right? So yeah, I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys. I love you all. Peace.